Sky here, and today we have prepared a very interesting project for review. Due to the current situation in the world, the question of borderless payment is very important because there are still a lot of countries that have not opened borders and banks are charging unbelievable amounts for transfer. So what is the solution of such situation and what payment method can be used to transfer money all over the world to friends and family within seconds with almost no cost? What is Terra Credit? It is a cryptocurrency that focuses on worldwide mobile payments. The core principles are to deliver the fastest, cheapest, and the most effective way of transferring your fund. They are also focusing on great goals, which is to provide access to digital payment solution to people that do not have access to banking. The Terra Credit is a proof of stake cryptocurrency that allows users to stake their coins and earn additional profit just by holding your assets. So we will go through all details later when we will take a look at Terabit wallet. Okay, the biggest goal of Terra Credit is to achieve mass adoption by providing an accessible and flexible way of money transferring. So let's take a look at their roadmap and find out what is already achieved and what are future plans. Okay, so Terra was born 2 years ago in November 2018. An interesting fact that this coin was not always proof of stake. Only after 10,000 mint block the decision was made to get only on POS. Anyways, the last month of 2018 were very productive because the team has launched their website, released staking wallet for all platforms, and conducted three big airdrop in January and February 2019. In 2019 things got even bigger. Apart from launching an Android wallet and several rounds of airdrops, launched their own exchange called Terabit and got listed on CoinMarketCap. The first half of 2020 was amazing as well. Terra team launched APIs, white paper, and got launched on Play Store. Had several big press releases and announced a hard fork that will take place in August. Speaking about future plans, you can see the future is planned literally by weeks. But the most interesting part are the upcoming iOS starting in early September and ending in December 2020. Let's take a look at their technology. As it was already mentioned, Terra Credit was originally a proof of work blockchain but switched to proof of stake after reaching 10,000 blocks. We can totally understand this decision, but let's go through some advantages of POS in front of POW. The most important one is that POS has faster transaction and lower fees, which is essential for a cryptocurrency that focuses on payments. Furthermore, POS coins are more energy efficient and have low cost production, and the last but not the least, they are more secure because are safe from 51% attack. Okay. So now as we got familiar with the general idea of Terra Credit, let's take a look at their wallet. What features do they offer and how it is be useful for all of us. So you can make financial transaction and store your crypto securely with Terabit. So it is a crypto wallet and a centralized exchange within one application. Terabit was designed in South Africa and used in countries like Colombia, Kenya, Ghana, and Nigeria. Terabit is available as on online platform as well as on Google Play app. So you can download it to your mobile device. Among advantages of Terabit are fast and secure payment, lack of third party, and extremely low transaction fees. Terabit has also a great media coverage including press releases in CCN and Yahoo Finance. So now as we know what Terabit, it is time to test things out and create an account. So just click on in the right top corner, fill all needed data to required fields. Also do not forget to set your trading pin as well. when we would leave our referral code in the description. If somebody would like to support us when everything is filled, just click on register and you are ready. So there is an important information we need to read. Oh yes, this is the hard fork announcement that will take place on 1st of August. What do we have here? Crypto and fiat wallet like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Credit, LTC and much more, as well as fiat currencies of a bunch of countries like ZAR, NGN and surely USD. If you would go and buy tab, you will be able to purchase different currencies. Just selected the right coin, just select the right coin, enter the amount and just click on buy now. You can sell your crypto as well by doing same step, but in the sell tab. The next two tabs are send and receive, so they are pretty self-explaining. However, it is awesome that you can send not only crypto but fiat currencies as well. Okay, you will get your addresses for deposit when you click on crypto of your choice. The mini POS section is the staking part. You can get additional credit coin just by holding them in your wallet. In the section you will be able to see your staking earning. So let's take a look at exchange. So just basic trading functions where you can purchase credit with Ethereum. You can click on market and select other pairs and do your own trades. For example, ZAR is tradable against BTC, ETH and credits. You can also go to an ICO tab. It is now empty, but we assume Terra plans to hold EOS on this exchange in the future, and all of them will be listed in this section. You will be also be able to bind your bank account and refer your friend to get a commission from exchange fees. So there is a FAQ section as well where you can ask your questions. Beside, if you go to your profile and click on referrals, you will be able to see to create your own link for promotion. Okay, so let's take a look at core heart of Terra Credit ecosystem. It is going to be their token that will run through the whole system. It is called Credit, their own proof of stake blockchain with a total supply of 74.8 billion. Each block will be mined with 60 seconds of a block reward of 5,000 tokens. As we have already stated, it is possible to buy credit coin on Terabit exchange, but there are a few more. For example, you can buy token on Fit4x exchange or Catex exchange. We will leave all the necessary links in the description down below. So, and if you have a question of how you can buy token on mentioned exchanges, just leave a comment. We will get back to you. Terabit is also already listed on CoinMarketCap, which a circulating supply of more than 121 billion token. All in all, Terra Credit has a good mission by providing access to worldwide money transfer for everybody. The core advantage are speed, very efficient proof of stake model and low budget transaction fees that are nearly zero. The price of one credit is now around 0.00011 USD and the fee is generally silly. So to send every amount of money you would like to have to pay 0.000003 or near to nothing. So generally speaking, Terra Credit has potential to becoming worldwide accepted payment. We should wait till the IEO announced to see how big it would be. So that was it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something about Terra Credit. We will leave all the useful links in the description so you can take a deep dive into it, and do not forget to leave a like, rating and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, goodbye.